Hello, hello, hello. Hopefully you can hear me. Okay, welcome back to Miss Max Academy. Today we are on our trig functions handout, and I'm on question number 13. So please take a minute and take a look at question number 13. So we'd like to start this problem by identifying the given acute angle. They gave us that 75 degrees is this angle right in here. So I'm going to circle that given acute angle. We know that the given acute angle is sandwiched between two sides. This side here is clearly the hypotenuse. It's opposite the right angle. So we're going to label that side as the hypotenuse. And the other side that makes up that given acute angle is called the adjacent side. And that means this side left over is called the opposite side. But notice the opposite side is not given a length, nor is it given a variable. There's nothing on the opposite side. So we're just going to cross that out and not take a look at it right now. Just a reminder, we're practicing using our trig functions, our sine, cosine, and tangent function. We use the trig functions to find a missing side in a right triangle. The acronym that we use is SAW, CA, TOA to figure out which trig function we use. Well, we need the trig function that uses adjacent, A, over hypotenuse, H. Oh, that's our cosine function. So we know the cosine of 75 degrees is equal to the adjacent side divided by the hypotenuse. So let's take a look at our calculator. Let's find the cosine of 75. The cosine of 75 degrees is 0.2588. And we're going to put that over 1. And then that's equal to x over 35. And look, I have a proportion. I have two equal ratios, therefore I have a proportion. I know I can solve a proportion by cross multiplying. So if I cross multiply, I get 1 times x equals 35 times 0.2588. Again, 1 times x is x equals 35 times 0.2588. Again, back to our calculator, 0.2588, we already have that in our calculator, times 35 is approximately 9.058. I'm not that picky, so I would go with either 9.05, 9.06, 9.1. Any one of those would be appropriate. So we're going to say x is approximately 9.1. That's the nearest tenth. If I underline here and I look to the right, I would round up, so it's 9.1. Okay, tune in again for our next episode of Miss Max Academy.